We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day, everyone. This is Cam Jones FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's get back down to business. Okay guys, the pair we're looking at today is NZD CAD. That will be the New Zealand dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Forex 101 guys, we will be identifying market structure and what's going on with the market. 2, we will be identifying the overall trend. 3, we'll be identifying where we will be placing our S&R lines. 4, we will be identifying patterns for entry. Okay guys, let's identify what's going on in the market. In this area here, this is where price started off at. This is back in September 1st of 2008. From there, the market came down to a straight drop, hit a support. From there, the market pushed up into a uptrend. Once the market was put into this uptrend, from there we can see that the market turned itself into a consolidation. So the market went sideways here. And then the market dropped and went into a downtrend. So basically what the market did was it went to an uptrend, consolidated, went sideways, went into a downtrend. And now we have to figure out what is going on in the market with the overall trend. So let's take a look. Let's find our overall trend in the market. If we come over this way, we can see this is our overall trend. Our overall trend is up. So the market's trying to push higher and higher. From there, we'll be looking for our SR lines. So this is where price is currently at is its last candle. So its last candle is price. So price is trying to break this area here to go up further, to break this area up here to go up further. So if this is where price is currently now, we're looking for price to break this area. From there, the next level up, we're looking for price to break this area here. And if we go back to price action, where price action is, if we go one level down, let's say if price went down instead of going up into our direction we think it's going to go into, it will be somewhere here. So we did find our overall direction. Our overall direction is a uptrend. Next we will be identifying our SR lines on the weekly. So we are on the weekly time frame, and we're gonna add SR lines between the green. So we're gonna add blue SR lines on the weekly between the green lines. So the easiest way to look for SR lines is look for peaks, or is it, I should say, the easiest way that I look for SR lines is look for peaks. There's plenty other ways. It's just one way I do is I look for peaks. So if you're looking for peaks, there's a peak here, peak here, peak here. Or you look for areas where you can touch. A few here. Pull this one up. We have another one there. So that's it. So we just filled up with all our SR lines. So next we're going to go down to the daily time frame. So we already identified the market. We then went down to the monthly time frame to help us with our trend line and a few SR lines. We went to our weekly to add additional SR lines. So now we are on our daily time frame, and we are going to see what is going on in the pattern, so we can see if we can take price for entry, so we can take it up further or take it down. But we are in the overall up direction, so we're looking for up buys only. So if we're looking for buys, we're going to come over this way. We're going to grab our red paintbrush and let's brush and see what's going on in the market. So what we can see is that market has came up, came down, pushed up, broke previous areas of resistance, created new areas of support, to come back down, to push up once again to reach areas of support, a previous area of support. So from there we can see that the market has created that W. I'm going to draw right over that W. So all we're looking for this area here, which I'm going to circle, is market to touch, and then we're looking for some type of engulfing pattern to happen here for that breakout to happen. So we're looking for a W pattern to complete itself so we can take it for the buy. So once we see that double pattern happen, we can jump in and we can ride it up to the next level here. That'll give us about 69 pips. If we had to have coverage for it to come back to our stop loss, bring it back to our green line just a little bit below, give about 43 pips below. If it goes back, if it goes forward and it finished that formation of the W, it will break up to the 59.9 TP, and then you probably can break it, take it up further to the next level here for a total of 170 pips. If we see that W candle W formation happen on CAD. And if we go to Google, if we go online and we type in Forex pattern cheat sheets and we look at the double bottom or the double top. So currently we look at the double bottom. The double bottom confirms that if it's coming down from somewhere and it creates that double pattern, it's going to go back up into the direction it came from once it creates that double W. It don't even have to come down from somewhere. It can come up from somewhere. It can create that W formation and push up, get that retest right here at this resistance line, and then shoot up. So are we looking for that retest that happened right next to this arrow? So this area here to come down to this line, and then once we see that engulfing pattern or some type of pattern, we'll take it up for that buy for a total of 169 pips. That will be an amazing move. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. That was NZD CAD.